organist sometimes would do different techniques like this where they would kind of crawl, all right, and then it's not a whole lot of movement, and they're just doing, you know, simple chords, right? So I'm going to show you here how this works, right? So the first chord is just a C, second chord is a D, E, and an F. That's it. You can think of it like that. So now the way we go between chords, right, we can do a simple thing. We can approach them using half steps. So we have the first chord, it's going to be a C, all right, and we can play it with G, C, E. So we do C major, D minor, and then C over E, and then F major, and then F minor. I'll show you again. We're just basically doing C, D minor, well, a C over E. All right, we'll add the B flat, and then we go to a F chord, and then we go to a F minor chord. But everything between that, we go to a diminished chord. This is how we use diminished chords to pass in between. So that's what we're doing, right? We have a major chord, diminished seventh chord, minor chord, diminished seventh chord, and then a major chord again to a dominant seventh chord, and basically to a major chord to a minor chord. So I'll show you again. Right hand is G, C, E, all right? So every time we play the chord, we just do a passing chord. So it's going to be right hand, okay, major, diminished, minor, diminished, all right, major again, create more tension, do this. It sounds like a C7 chord, that's what it is. And then we go to major again, back to minor. Okay, so if you notice, I throw my left hand in there, right? So what I'm doing here is this. So just the left hand is doing E, and I'm just following it. So as I move though, when I move to the diminished seventh here, I don't move that left hand. So C, diminished seventh, and then I go to F. Okay, F over D, or just a D minor, that's all that is. It's D in my foot, F, A, D, F. Okay, and then I go from there. I'm walking up still, right? So then I'm gonna go to the E flat. Left hand is gonna be F sharp, or G flat, and then right hand A, C, E flat, G flat, F sharp. Then I end here. All right, over the E. This is C over the E. I add that B flat, right? To kind of color the tone. And then I'm gonna go up to F very easily. Barely move from here. All I did was move that B flat to the A. Left hand is F. And then went down from the A to the A flat, kept the C where it is, and then moved the G to the F. And that's all you need to do. My foot is just going C, heel, toe, C sharp, heel, D. All right, toe is E flat, D sharp, and then heel again is E, and then my toe is on F. All right, so that's it. And it's a simple movement. You're really just playing 4 chords, C, D, E, and F, and then you're using diminished chords to create the color to go between each one. And that last chord is basically a 7 chord, a dominant 7 chord. You can actually play this over C and go over to F. If you wanted to continue, of course, there's other things you can do. We're not going to do all of that, but the point here is just to go from C to F. For more videos like this, join us over at the community at Gospel Keys Shed.